Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Ebi Doria. It's meal for one series today. And today's menu is Ebi Doria, shrimp and rice gratin. Doria is one of very popular yoshoku Japanese Western food. So it's Western gratin and Japanese rice put together. It may look difficult because it involves some white sauce, but making it with microwave, it's super easy. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Ebi Doria, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. 1 portion rice pack, some salt and pepper, shredded mozzarella as much as you like, shimeji mushroom, it's about a handful, onion, I'm using half of this today, 100 grams of shrimp. For the white sauce, 1 tablespoon each of all-purpose flour and butter and 100 milliliter of milk, 1 teaspoon each of butter and soy sauce to season the rice. Let's do all the cutting first. The shimeji mushroom. Just cut the bottom off and break into pieces. And put them in a large bowl that you can microwave. Onion. As I said, I'm using half of this. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. And into thin slices. Into the same bowl. And shrimp. If it's small shrimps, you don't need to cut it. I'm cutting mine into 3 so that I can have shrimp in every bite. So let's just cut it into 3. And all into the bowl. Put 1 tablespoon of flour and mix it well until there is no lumpy flour. Like this, no lumpy flour and no flour left at the bottom. Add 100 milliliter of milk, some salt and pepper, about half teaspoon, and mix it well. Put 1 tablespoon of butter on top, cover it, and microwave 3 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a good mix. that back on in another 3 minutes at 600 watts. Mix it well. And the white sauce is ready. Put 1 portion rice pack in the baking dish. Put soy sauce and butter. Cover with a plastic film and microwave. This time 1 minute at 800 watts. Remove the film. And mix it well. And let's put the white sauce. Shredded mozzarella on top. Let's grill in the oven. I grilled it for 15 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius, but please adjust to your oven. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. The white sauce is so rich and creamy, and it's such a filling and satisfying dish with rice, protein, and vegetable all in one. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Ebi Doria is rice and main put together, so let's put it here and nothing here. I want to have some fresh vegetables. So how about vegetable sticks with miso mayo dipping sauce for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles either off the shelf or homemade for the other one. Any soup you like here, but I want to have little more protein, so let's have kakitamajiru and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.